Greetings and welcome to OroCommerce's video tutorial series. This is Rhonda with Oro Inc. and today I'll be demonstrating how to manage product and category visibility within OroCommerce. Product visibility in OroCommerce is a feature that allows products to be displayed or hidden from websites, customer groups, or specific customers. Additionally, you can hide entire product categories or all products from the website, as well as displaying only specific categories of products to individual customers. For example, our seller has a B2B customer who only purchases lighting equipment, so it would make sense to only have lighting products visible for this customer. These settings determine which customers, customer groups, or websites are able to view specific products or specific product categories. Visibility can be set at the system configuration level, the category level, or the individual product level. Default product visibility is determined by two main configuration settings: product visibility to customers and category visibility to customers. Individual product visibility is set to inherit permissions from the parent category, and parent category visibility is set to inherit permissions from the main system configuration. This means if the parent category is set to visible, then products and subcategories are visible as well. Both products and categories have more granular visibility settings, which are further broken down to inherit visibility settings from a parent category or to make them hidden or visible by default. For products, you can also set them to inherit the main configuration level settings. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to manage visibility at the system configuration level, how to manage individual product category visibility, and how to manage individual product visibility. Additionally, we'll show how visibility changes for products and categories on the storefront. First, we'll examine the main configuration settings. To demonstrate these visibility settings, we can show a typical storefront logon when these permissions are set to the default levels. As you can see, we have several individual categories of products as well as individual products listed as featured and new on the website. Now we'll set these two configuration settings to hidden so that products and categories are not displayed when a customer logs in. Navigate to the main system menu and use the drop-down to select Configuration. On the left-hand navigation pane, expand Commerce, expand Customer, and click on Visibility. As you can see, both product visibility to customers and category visibility to customer options are visible by default. This means when customers log in, they are by default able to view the products and categories we previously showed you. To change these options, uncheck the Use Default checkbox to open the fields for editing, and use the drop-down to select Hidden. When you're finished, click the Save Settings button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Keep in mind, with product visibility for customers, when this is hidden, all products will be hidden on the website and you'll not be able to search for them. Keep in mind that if you have existing links on your website, such as products, lighting products, and the front-end menu has not yet been modified, when product visibility for customers is hidden, these menu options will not produce any results when clicked on. When category visibility is hidden, you won't be able to see the individual product categories we showed you before. Now we'll return to the storefront and reload the page. As you can see, both products and categories are now hidden from the home page. Sellers may want to use these settings when they only want particular products or categories to be visible for specific individual customers, customer groups, or websites. Both products and categories have more granular visibility settings which are broken down further to inherit visibility settings from a product category, the system configuration, or make them hidden or visible by default. We'll first examine products and then we'll examine categories. To manage category visibility, navigate to the Products menu and use the drop-down to select the Master Catalog. Click on the parent category and click on the Visibility link. As you can see, we have three sections for visibility for the parent category: visibility to all, visibility to customer groups, and visibility to individual customers. Visibility to all means by default the main parent category is set to inherit visibility settings from the main system configuration. There are additional options for visibility to all to make this category completely hidden or visible by default. Click on Visibility to Customer Groups. By default, the Visibility of Customer Groups inherits the Visibility to All setting. There are additional options for Visibility to Customer Groups, which allows you to either hide or make this category visible by default. Click on Visibility to Customers. By default, this allows you to determine which customers, if any, can view this category. If this is not set, visibility falls back to the Visibility for a specific customer group setting. There are additional options for Visibility for Customers: to inherit the setting from Visibility to All, or to make this category hidden or visible by default. Click back on Visibility to All. If we were to change the default configuration to hide the parent category, similar to when we removed the default visibility from the system configuration menu, we would no longer see category product boxes. For the next part of our demonstration, we'll select a category that we'd like to hide for a specific customer. For our example, our lighting customer does not purchase nor need to see other categories such as medical equipment. So we'll demonstrate how to hide a particular product category from customer A. Click on the Medical Apparel section on the left-hand navigation pane, and click on Visibility. By default, all subcategory visibility is set to inherit visibility settings from the main parent category. Additional options are to make the parent category visible or hidden to all. Since we want to hide this product for a single customer, click on the Visibility to Customers tab. Under the Visibility to Customers option, you can see that by default, visibility to individual customers are inherited by the visibility setting for their customer group. For our example, we're going to change this setting to hide medical apparel from customer A. Use the drop-down next to customer A to select Hidden for visibility. And when you're finished, click the Save button in the right-hand corner of the screen. Now we'll return back to the storefront to view this new visibility setting. As you can see, our customer currently has medical uniforms displayed. But now that we've changed this setting, we're going to reload the page. As you can see, the medical categories are no longer being displayed. Repeat this process to hide individual categories of information from particular customers, customer groups, or websites. Now we'll discuss specific product visibility. For our example, customers that frequent our website are looking for specific categories of products, and no single customer needs to see all the products. In previous examples, we've hidden all products and categories from the website, and in another example, we hid a specific product category from a specific customer. Now we'll demonstrate individual product visibility. For example, we have a product on our website that is not available at this time. We want to keep the product, but we want to hide it because we're not sure when it will be back in stock again. To manage product visibility, navigate to the Products menu and use the drop-down to select Products. Click on any product to load the product details page. For our example, we're going to hide the sterling silver medical tag. Use the More Actions drop-down and select the Manage Visibility option. The first section details product visibility to all. To change the visibility for a particular website, you can click on one of the website tabs. By default, visibility for a particular product is set to the category level. If the category is viewable, the product is viewable as well. There are additional options to make the product visible or hidden by default. Additionally, you can set this product to where it would inherit settings from the System Configuration menu. The next section details visibility to customer groups. This section details all the customer groups defined in OroCommerce. You can scroll down to find a particular customer group or use the filters to narrow down your search. By default, visibility is set to the current product. Additional options, you can set the product to inherit visibility from the category level, or make the product hidden or visible completely by default for these customer groups. The final section details visibility for a particular customer. This section details all the customers or companies defined in OroCommerce. You can scroll down to find a particular customer or use the filters to narrow down your search. By default, visibility is set to inherit permissions from the customer group. You can use the drop-down under Visibility to Customers to change that setting to the current product, to the category, or to make it hidden or visible by default. For our example, we're going to hide this product for all users of the website, so we'll scroll back up to the Visibility to All section. Under Visibility to All, use the drop-down to select Hidden. And when you're finished, click the Save and Close button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now we'll return to the storefront and search for medical tags. As you can see, Tag 1 and Tag 3 are being displayed. Our generic sterling silver medical tag is no longer being displayed because we've hidden it from the website. Thanks for watching. For more video tutorials, please check out our website at www.orocommerce.com/media-library and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with the latest tutorials and webinars.